Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's me again, Angel. I just wanted to show you this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home that we have. We have our open house going right now, so if you want to swing by and see it, you have until 3 p.m. today. If that doesn't work for you, I'm more than happy to schedule something. This home is an MHE Sherwood model, which has a porch, beautiful picture window. This is a beautiful area. You can sit out on the porch. You can watch the sunset every day. It is a beautiful, beautiful home. This home is full drywall, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and has a gorgeous kitchen, white cabinetry. So this one is a gem. If you're looking for a 3-bedroom, beautiful home, this one has what you need. Window treatments and blinds are included on every window you see. Look at this primary bedroom, guys. It is good size. You can fit a California king bedroom in here, no problem, with room to walk around and a dresser. So you've got plenty of space in there. Look at the size of that bedroom. And we have our ensuite bathroom. We have double sinks. We have the stand-up shower. And we have a storage closet for all your linens. Shelving is already installed, super nice. This home has very neutral colors, so it will match anything you have. So if you have dark brown furniture, it's gonna look gorgeous. White furniture is gonna look super sharp. This is the primary walk-in closet. Lots of storage in here, guys. We even have windows, so you have increased ventilation and natural light in that restroom. This living room is very good size. You can fit one of those huge sectional sofa couches. So you have plenty of room in here to seat everybody in your family. And lots of room for your entertainment. So one of the things I love about this floor plan is this wall is not shared with the primary bedroom. Only the door is in a very small section in between the primary door, bedroom door, and the entry door. That's the only shared wall with the primary bedroom. The other rooms are going to be separated by the closet and the bathroom. So that is super nice. Here we have our laundry room utility area, fire extinguisher for safety, and we have our back entry door. We have deadbolts, light switches, super accessible electric panel, so you have access to your breaker box. Furnace is here. And then moving through, we have our kitchen. Beautiful Edison style light fixture that is definitely an upgrade. It is super adorable. We have white cabinetry in here with black appliances, so that looks nice and sharp. We have lots of counter space in here and lots of cabinets, and even cabinets in the island. So that is a lot of storage space in here, guys. You've got room for the Instapots, the griddles, the crock pot. Everything can fit in this kitchen. It's amazing. And then we have the dining room right attached to the kitchen. So it's out of the way. You don't have to walk around the table to cook, but it is right there when it's time to serve. Beautiful, ginormous window right here. This is going to be so pretty in the winter, guys, and I can attest it is beautiful in the summer. It's fall, looking a little, you know, the leaves are falling, so the trees are sparse, but this is very, very gorgeous area. So this home is a 3-bedroom, so it's got 2 additional bedrooms. This bedroom to the left, this is a bigger size bedroom, and it has a regular size closet in here, just a typical closet. Not too small, but it's not super big. I wouldn't consider it like a walk-in, although you could step inside of it. In the third bedroom and final bedroom is a little bit smaller of a bedroom, but it's got a legit walk-in closet in here, guys. So that is super handy dandy when it comes to storage. Lots of room for your totes, so you can store your holiday decorations or whatever you have. You got room for those things. Each one of our homes also comes with a shed, so you have extra room for the outdoor storage. And then we have our main bathroom here. So it is a shower tub combo. So you have one of each in this home. You have a step-in shower or a walk-in shower, as well as the bathtub shower combo. And we got lots of drawers and storage in that large cabinet there as well. And you got room for your toothbrushes, your, your hairbrushes, your mirrors, things that you need to use on a daily basis. You have room right there on that sink counter, the vanity. So if you want to walk through this home and see it with your own eyes, make sure the energy is going to fit for you. Take a look and see if you think your furniture will fit. I'm going to be here until 3 o'clock today, and I am more than happy to show you around. You can come on in, take a look. I'm going to be here until 3 o'clock. So if you come down now, that gives us just shy of 2 hours to take a look. But this is a really nice home. It is a pre-owned. It is for sale, or you can rent this home out on a 12-month lease as well. So come on in. I will get you all of the details, and we can work together to make this home become yours. Let me know what you think. Swing on by, say hello, and I'll get you taken care of. 1642 Alyssum Court in Albion, Michigan. My cell phone number, you can call or text, is 517-769-4365. And this home is inside of Wildflower Crossings in Albion, Michigan. All right, everybody, have a great day. I hope to see you guys soon. If today does not work for you, just text me. We can work out a time and day that's going to work for you to be able to walk through and see this and make this a reality for you, okay? All right, everybody, have a great day. Bye.